So how does Refund Retriever work? Refund Retriever is like having spell check, but for your UPS and FedEx invoices. Sure, most people can audit their own invoices. They can track, analyze estimated delivery dates, and submit these claims. But dedicating the resources to auditing invoices takes time and money. We can do it faster, more efficiently, and with a higher degree of knowledge and success. Getting started is easy. Use our online sign-up form and provide us with access to the UPS or FedEx online billing centers. We automatically download your invoices each week, process and dispute all the late packages. The refund then goes directly back to your account. You get the credit, and Refund Retriever sends you an invoice at the end of the month for a percentage of those savings. If there are no late packages or billing mistakes, you receive no refunds, then there's no charge. No minimum monthly charges, no setup fees, no cancellation fees, no long-term contract. Refund Retriever also looks for other billing mistakes like address corrections, duplicate charges, unshipped packages, and much more. We provide you with a full suite of shipping reports and analytics. See your true shipping discounts, cost per pound shipped, and any packages that could have been shipped by an unauthorized third party. How do you know if your shipping discount rates are comparative to other shippers? Compare your rates with our free small parcel benchmarking tool. Are you paying too much for shipping? As a Refund Retriever client, you have this information at your fingertips. We build our own software and run our own proprietary programming. Client confidentiality and security are our highest priorities. No third parties ever have access to your sensitive information. No other auditing company out there gives you the amount of information and analytics we do for free. So if you want to reduce your shipping cost, sign up for Refund Retriever today. Thanks a lot.